How to add a countdown intro for the video you're editing using the YouCut video editor app. And as always, make sure you have the latest update. It is 2025 at the time of this video. And if you're looking for something like this here or something like this here, here's where you can go to make use of the material features found on your YouCut video editor app. Let's get started. As a beginner's guide, let's just say you are editing a video and you have your video here already. And now before your video starts, you want to get that countdown effect. So in order to do this, you want to make sure you're starting before that video that you are editing. So make sure the timeline is here and you're going to press on this plus right here for YouCut Editor app. Okay, so I'll go in a little closer so you can see what's going on here. You're going to tap on this because you're telling YouCut you want to add a video onto what you are editing right now. Once you do this, you'll see recent and you'll see material. Go ahead and tap on material and you're gonna make sure you're under the category that says beginning, okay? You're gonna have all these here, all these different options. So go to where it says beginning, this one right here. That's where you're gonna find that countdown video clip. So once you're here now, you're gonna go down. You have this one here. You have the one you saw earlier, which is going to be in a horizontal format. So if the video is in a vertical format like this here, then the video will appear like that. But if you want it for a horizontal format, you're going to look for that one. And it's quite far down there. Actually, with the latest update, you get many more features and material videos to play with. So this one here is the one that you saw earlier here. You can have this one here. And you press play, you'll hear the sound that plays with it too. Okay, and then your video starts. Now, if you don't like that one here, you can delete it, go back again, we'll go to material, and we're gonna go down to the very bottom area, and you have this one here. And it's gonna play like this. This one has no sound, but that's that, okay? And of course, if you wanted to kind of transition into the video that you're editing, let's just say you want the countdown and you want that special transition effect. I'll show you now. You see this right here? This is your transition effect between video clips. So tap on that and you'll have all these here. And just, I guess you could just choose something that kind of shows well. So we got this one here. And just once you do that, and then you press play now, and then it's gonna transition into the video like that. And then you can save it as it is, having that awesome video intro. And ladies and gentlemen, if this video helped you out in any way, like and sub.